Best grab a weapon, I reckon we'll need them.
Oh, heck! The rescue chopper's leaving!
Damn it, we just missed him.
Dollars to donuts. That chopper's heading to the mall across town.
I trust you. You look like a man
Right
who
through
knows
here.
his donuts. Jesus, they're attacking now! No!
Hey!
Shit, I ain't ever done that before.
It's flammable.
Hurry it, hurry it! I got it! Loading gun! Holy shit! Thank the Lord this was still working.
Pleased to meet you. You can call me Coach. What's your name?
My name's Rochelle. I produce a news show.
I bet there's gonna be some.
This room looks safe. Let's get in. Oh, I could go for a cold right
For
about
the
now.
four riders, the
I really
goddamn
wish to close the
apocalypse.
door.
Nice.
Oh, I'm glad I can't tweet, because I could never fit today in 140 characters.
Y'all ready?
this, Mr. Dead.
Bridge to the mall's blocked, man. We gotta find another way.
Jimmy Gibbs.
About this, Mr. Dead.
Damn you, Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Holy shit.
Ew, we gotta be getting close to that mall.
Hey! Jimmy Gibbs!
Oh, Christ! Come on, dude. Look out now! Watch out!
Reloading! Damn you, Jimmy Gibbs Jr.
Hey, that was mine. We can get up here.
Jimmy Gibbs.
Holy shit! I think that gun store is just up ahead. It's dead.
Haha, that's more like it.
Ooh, I choose this one.
legally allowed to own a gun.
Heads up.
Everybody's okay with that.
Can somebody wait up? I gotta heal.
God,
Damn you, Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Holy
Okay, mysterious voice.
I need the code, and I won't let you through the barricade until I get it. Now go.
Okay, we're in. What do we owe you for the guns?
Fully on promise.
Y'all get ready now. Hey, look out!
Look out!
Shit, this hurts.
Bullshit!
Get your hands off my store. Back, you sons of bitches. Better through. Back, you creatures. Thank you kindly. And to prove I'm a man of my word,
Now that is how you clear path. What's in here?
Alice, come on, man.
Hey, can somebody walk? Yeah, I'm sorry about that one. That fixed. Let me heat you up now. This is what friends are for.
Better.
I hear a boomer. Hey! Jimmy Gibbs!
Eat lead, Jimmy Gibbs.
Sorry about this, Mr. Gibbs.
Holy shit! Come on, y'all, hurry up! You can lay that.
Take it.
Get it!
Eat lead, Jimmy Gibbs.
Hey, there's the mall.
We made it!
I don't know if it's the fed.
We're all
Hey!
here.
Jimmy Gibbs!
We made it! Cedar better still be here.
Woo! I love this gun.
Shit!
Okay, so it's a little deserted. There might still
Let
be.
me hear you.
Kids
This is
here.
what friends are for.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry up, hurry up.
I got you back.
Alice, come on, man.
Look out now!
Sorry about that.
Eat lead, Jimmy Gibbs.
Let's go through here.
Damn you.
Got it.
Down that escalator.
I can't see shit!
on.
Right.
Jimmy Gibbs!
Hey. Seriously?
Sorry.
I could roll up a whole pizza right now. You can sit inside. Sorry about this, Mr. Gibbs.
Gotta keep it for a bit.
Shit.
Shit, this hurts.
Jimmy Gibbs Jr.
Watch out!
Give us, Jimmy. We need your car.
Killed it. I did it. Hurry up.
We got this.
Got your back?
Down here.
Sorry about this, Mr. Gibbs.
We gotta turn off this alarm.
Hey, let's take that.
I got it. Boomer ahead. Down here. Dead.
You getting the hang of this, Ellis?
Boomer!
Hey!
Eat lead, Jimmy Gibbs.
Hey, right up here, some of the refugees built a safe room.
I wish we could get a $5 beer right.
Hey, wait a second. I got a heal.
I'm starting to like you guys.
Hurry.
Oh, yeah. Only folks gonna save us is ourselves.
Who the hell is
Now
Jimmy
I'm
Gibbs Jr.?
feeling right.
Just the best stock car racer of all time. Try reading a book sometime.
I'm getting sick of looking at this guy's face.
Well, trust me, in these parts, he's as famous as Elvis or the president.
That man is America's greatest natural resource.
I would take a bullet for that man.
Amen.
Stay close.
Hey, man, we should keep going.
Time to move.
Man, this is awful.
Sorry about this, Mr. Gibbs.
Well, if you're looking for ideas, look no further, because I have a good one. Listen up. You see that poster? It says you can get your picture taken with Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. Now all we gotta do is find it and gas it up. and I will drive it out of here.
Well, it beats my idea. Staying here riding them all.
All right, I'm betting the gas tanks will probably be empty. We're gonna have to gas it up before we haul ass.
As soon as them doors open, you run your ass off and find some gas.
Lead, Jimmy Gibbs.
Find a gas can!
I got this one.
Here they come! I got this one.
Hey, Jimmy Gibbs.
Jimmy Gibbs.
Hey, watch out! I got one.
Jimmy Gibbs.
Got a can!
Jimmy, you need your car.
Gibbs.
I hit it.
Hey, got a can. Got a can. I got this one.
Baby, please, please. Still need 5 more.
I get 3 more. I got one. Hey, look out.
Almost there.
Just 2 more. Come on, y'all. Much more. Let's go!